One of my all-time favorite bags is the T-66 from tomtoc. So when they recently reached out to me to let me know that they made a set of packing cubes specifically to fit this bag, I knew I had to try them out. So here we're all packed out for a week-long trip. Let's check out how we're fitting everything inside with these brand new packing cubes. These are the Light-T02 Packing Cubes, a 3-piece set featuring a 3-liter small cube, an 8-liter medium cube, and a compressible 15-liter to 10-liter large cube. In addition to the packing cubes, tomtoc also just released the Light-T02 shoe bag that matches this set. And that's actually under the 3-liter here, so we'll get to that as well in today's video. But before we get to what's inside of these packing cubes, let's talk a little bit about the excellent quality of these cubes. So you've got these really high-end YKK zippers and this really durable fabric that is SGS certified Silver Plus antibacterial, as well as odor resistant and washable. So let's go through these cubes one by one and check them all out. We'll start with the 3-liter here, take a look at all of them, and then we'll pack them back up in this bag for our trip. As you can see right there, they all fit super, super well. Obviously, they were made for this bag specifically. So first up is the 3-liter small packing cube, and this can be used for a number of different things. There are actually even these little strap attachment points here on the back that will turn this bag into a sling if you purchase a shoulder strap separately. Really cool. Also, there's a little handle on the top here, and then you have the one zipper here. Also with these little spots where you can hold, which is really nice, so you can easily open and close. And then inside here, you just have a large pocket inside. As you can see, all my toiletries are in here. It doesn't even fill up the whole thing, so you can bring plenty of toiletries within this 3-liter small packing cube. But yeah, this is gonna work really great for a week-long trip. When you're bringing your toiletries in this thing, if you're doing a shorter trip and you wanna bring a separate toiletries bag, this thing is gonna be really nice for underwear and socks and smaller items like that. But for this week trip, it's gonna work great as a toiletry bag. Next up is the 8-liter medium packing cube, which is really unique in that it has clean and dirty laundry separation. And as you can see, the dirty section, which is going to be down here on the bottom, very cool. So you have your dirty section down here, and then you have your clean section up on top. But that dirty section is going to be fully sealed, while the clean section is breathable. So all your clothes will breathe in here in the clean area, and then down here, as you can see, they are nice and sealed. So the medium and the large cubes actually also have this kind of quick access. So it has this like tear open design where you can just go like this, grab these 2 tabs and pull, and they open up just like that. Very, very cool little design feature for quick access into your medium packing cube. All right, so let's check out what's inside. And in here, I fit quite a bit of stuff. We have 6 pairs of socks. Let's put those over to the side here. We have 6 pairs of boxer briefs. Throw those over to the side there. In here, I also fit a windbreaker because I still had so much room. So a windbreaker will also fit in this medium packing cube as well, in addition to my underwear and socks, which is cool. So another cool feature of this bag is there is this top little insert up here, as you can see. And this is a great place to hold a scent insert. So it's gonna keep everything fresh inside of your bag. If you do wanna put like a little scent insert in there, keep everything nice and fresh inside. And then also, when the cubes are not in use, can actually do one of these, and it just folds inside of its own pocket like that. So you can store them very easily like this when they are not in use, and you kind of just fold them into a compact pack. Very, very cool little feature of these packing cubes, which I honestly haven't seen on other cubes. So let's repack this up, put everything inside here. You can really see how easy it is to pack this out. Slide everything over there. Next, we can put our socks in here. Then on top, let's go ahead and throw our windbreaker. Yeah, very easy to pack out. Plenty of space in this medium 8-liter packing cube. So then lastly, this is the large packing cube, and it's a compressible 15-liter to 10-liter size with the ability to compress a ton of stuff inside. So yeah, on the bottom here, you can see we unzip this, and that's where you get all of that extra space down here. So tons and tons of space down in the bottom. Just re-zip that up. Now we're all compressed. But let's take another look, open this up. Look at that, everything is so well organized inside. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 t-shirts. We have a pair of gym shorts. We have a bathing suit, and we have an extra pair of pants. So tons of stuff in this large 15 to 10-liter compressible cube. As you can see, it all fits very nicely. Honestly, you could probably fit a ton more in here, but this is exactly what I need for a week-long trip. And then last but not least, we have the shoe bag here as well. And like all of our packing cubes, you have a nice little handle on the top, so you can hold it that way. For this shoe bag here, you also have this little strap here, which can tighten up, so you can put your shoes in the bag, and then you want to keep everything nice and tight inside there. You can just kind of cinch it like that so that everything stays a little bit more compact inside. But let's open this up and see. So here, just like the 3-liter packing cube, you just have one zipper that goes across. And then in here, we have a pair of shoes. So it fits a pair of shoes very nicely in here. So really easy to carry those along for your trip. Yeah, you just zip that up, cinch that strap. There you go. You are good to go with the shoe bag. So let's grab our bag again and just see how easily everything fits inside. First, we'll start on the bottom. You can put that 10-liter right there on the bottom of the bag. As you can see, it has that nice flat bottom, so it just fits in there so perfectly. Next, we'll grab our 8-liter and put that on top. I found it best to just go ahead and stack kind of by the literage. So 10 liters on top, 8 liters in the middle. And then on the bottom, we can put our shoe bag in here. That slides in pretty nicely up top. And then on top of that, we can put our 3-liter bag. So our toiletries can slide up there on top. And just like that, it is such an easy pack out. Really, really nice to have this new set of packing cubes to make packing the T-66 even easier than it was before. Thanks so much to tomtoc for sponsoring today's video. Be sure to check out the brand new Light-T02 Packing Cubes and shoe bag by using the link in the description. Also, be sure to use my code for an additional discount.